Welcome back to another video. Today we got a shopping at Love's, looking at the Labor Day sales. As you can see, we got some Cobalts. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. And yeah, we got some Cobalt here, $99, your choice, any of these. Got a toolkit, a blower, and a drill driver. That is my favorite box. That is a Craftsman black with red drawers. That is one of my favorite boxes. Just the way that they designed it, you know, it's pretty unique. Definitely a lot nicer than most of the boxes. And then we got this one on clearance for $179.55. They did bring it down from like 300 and something. So I guess not a bad deal for $359. Got some more toolboxes here, some more portable work benches, sawhorses, and some more beautiful toolboxes here. It's stainless and another black with wood top Craftsman and red drawers. Like I said, I do like the self-closing feature on these. Same thing with this. Looks real nice. Definitely a nice box. We got some containers here for $18.98, Craftsman. Some more containers here, some wheeled tool boxes or tool containers. And then we got this VersaStack toolkit. It is a 4-tool combo kit. $169, not a bad deal. It does include the VersaStack or the toolbox. $7.98 for those blades. $18.98 for the titanium, or I believe it's a titanium set. Yeah, looks real nice. We got a flashlight there with some batteries. $19.97. Another LED work light, $19.98. Got some more drill bits, $10.98 and $19.98. It's a 47 piece.
Yes, thank you.
And that's a 60 piece right there. It's another work light for $24.98. And another combo kit here for $169. Craftsman has a lot of new tools. They invested a lot into their tools, so they're releasing a lot of deals. Pretty much targeting the DIY and the pretty much the lighter duty contractor grade. $99 for that drill, the impact drill with the battery. Same thing with that. It's $99. If you guys see, the made in USA cost a little bit more. It's a nice combo kit there. It's Lowe's. It's filled with red. If you guys see that, nothing but red here. Nothing but Craftsman tools. So $2.99 for that full 4-tool combo kit. Not a bad deal. A lot of these tools are brushed, so just keep that in mind. But you are getting a big tool combo kit there. You're getting a bag, I believe 2 batteries and a charger. 20 volts. Looking at the back of the drill driver and some of the tools back here. You are getting the 787. Well, actually, I think, yeah, some of these tools are they are brushless. Just to let you know, they're not brushed. I believe the 787 is brushless. And $99 for this impact driver with battery and a charger. That one is a brushed, made in the USA with global materials. And I believe this one, it is the 885 brushed tool. It does include a 3 amp hour battery. I'm just double checking here on the back. Maybe we get some more specifics. But yeah, it does include a 3 amp hour battery. Especificaciones. Then we got some more bits here for $16.98, your choice. 14 piece and 45 piece. There's the titanium. Gotta say that's a nice little set there. With the clear case. Love those clear cases. It's just so easy to see what's inside. That way you're not going through all your, little tool kits or tool bits kits. $24.98. Yeah, they got a whole bunch of drill bit sets. $27.98 and 24. It's a 70 piece. That one looks a little empty, the first one actually, but yeah, they still have a lot of pieces in there. $79 for that vacuum. And then they got this miter saw. Looks pretty nice. Definitely a nice miter saw.
Sir, you need some help?
No, I was just looking around. Thank you.
And then we got this
Appreciate it.
this tripod light, $219. Then we got some sales here on the blades. $8.98. Not a bad deal on this blade. $13.98 on this other one, the black one. And then what catch my eye, I don't actually need any reciprocating saw blades, but yeah, we got some reciprocating saw blades here for under $10. It's a 6-piece. Does come with a little blade holder. Not a bad deal there. With 6 pieces. And then we got this. Some more blades. This is cheaper. If you don't want to get the whole kit there, you can get cheaper blades right there. 3 pieces for $7.98. Yeah, like I said, I was doubting to get that. Maybe I should have gotten it back then, but I just got a brand new set of Craftsman. That's why I was just debating of getting these or not. Definitely a great deal. Now we got some more deals here. $229 for that bottom set. They are brushless. 2 batteries, a charger. Then we got this for $159. This for $199. And that big kit for $349, which is a nice kit. Does come with the radio. Still one of the first times I see a radio inside a toolbox or a combo kit. Then we got that drill bit set, 100 piece for $34. Yeah, definitely some great deals. Just gotta watch out. Make sure don't miss any deals. Subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest. Here, I just noticed that we're getting all the singles. So if you guys break any of these, you guys could bring them back to Lowe's and you'll get your socket. If you ever break one, they do come in. They do have them in impact rated and regular chrome. So that's a good thing about Lowe's, that they carry all these sockets by themselves. Then I was looking at this deal, 89 bucks for that impact driver, 99 bucks for that drill driver on the left, and it says you buy one get one free. So I guess you buy one of those kits and pretty much, yeah, 2 batteries and a charger, and you get one of these tools for free. So definitely not a bad deal. So buy any of those starter kits with the drill and get any of the other tools for free. Definitely a great deal to get you into the Craftsman. Yeah, definitely a great deal to get you in the platform. I guess you buy any of those kits and you can get pretty much in the platform. Thank you, appreciate it. Not a bad deal.
Look at this.
Especially for 89 bucks and 99 bucks. Definitely get you started. If you want to just buy the batteries, you can buy just the batteries there. Batteries and the charger. Got some more sales here, Irwin. $4.98 for that drywall saw. $29.98 for that those 2 clamps, Irwin clamps, great clamps. Yeah, like I said, there's a lot of great deals. That is actually the new 12 volts from Dewalt. Very compact, very lightweight. Fits real nice in the hand. Definitely a nice drill. As you guys can hear it, very high quality motor, just like Dewalt. Yeah, I gotta say Dewalt, their new tools are pretty good. They're coming out with some awesome, great tools. And let's look at the end cap for those 12 volt line of tools, the Extreme Subcompact series. So these are the smaller version of the 12 volts. Just skimming through some deals here. Hopefully I can find some deals for you guys. Anyways, just thought I'd share this with you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and don't forget to stay tuned. Thank you, and we'll see you guys in the next one.